What would you like to dream about tonight, Elroy? Jungle Hunter, Super Sports Star, or Rocket Ranger?
Rocket Ranger.
Sleep tight, Elroy.
Good evening, Rocket Ranger. Tonight, your mission is to battle the gas blobs of Beta 3.
Heffalumps and woozles, heffalumps and woozles, heal honey. Beware, beware.
They're black, they're brown, they're out, they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're near, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're insincere. Beware, 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 beware. A woozle is very unusual. A woozle's very sly. They come in ones and twosles, but if they so choosles, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If one is what you collect, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the thing you prize. They're green, they're blue, they're pink, they're white, they're round, they're square, they're inside. They hide themselves in horrible knots. They come in stripes as polka dots. Beware, 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 beware.
Yeah, the mama monster.